this was supposed to be just a regular old garden vlog, and then things quickly went sideways. I'm just gonna let it roll, and you'll see. I'm pretty happy with how my little garden is doing this year. I have ladybugs. They're everywhere. Failing less at gardening feels better than totally failing at gardening. But I've worked really hard on this, and I got everything started in January. Really? Well, this took an unexpected turn. We had a storm last night, and this happened. At least it didn't fall on our house. Unfortunately, the bike is destroyed. My garden is pretty wrecked, but I'm gonna see if I can save it. The guy, we have a tree crew coming to chop her up and haul her away. That was all like, it's hollow inside, is it? I mean, it was clearly sick. I would love it if they would cut me a big slice out of that. That predated wood would be so cool to have, a big chunk. I wonder if they might cut me a couple of slices that I could let cure and use for a project. Tragedy into a craft. That sounds like something I need to do. So yeah, this tree is huge. It's so big.
Oh my God, Becky, it is so big.
I did not even hear the storm last night. And my poor husband came out to find his bike just completely crushed. So, happy days. And like I said, at least it didn't fall on our little house. So that's good. That's real good. And now my yard will get so much more sunshine. I have another garden box. I'll just build a second garden. We're gonna make lemonade, right? They had to bring the big guns because that tree's gotta go. It is hollow and split, so gotta go. This just keeps taking turn after turn after turn, and none of it is expected. But the tree is like 80 years old. We had it trimmed back to a nub like 10 years ago, so we got some more time out of it. But sadly, it's gotta go, and that's happening now. This is the best work crew I've ever seen. They clean as they go. They're so polite and courteous. They have done a wonderful job. Every single dude on this crew seems to have the strength of a Hulk.
That's my secret, Cat. I'm always angry.
The tree is now gone. They cut it all up and hauled it away, and I have done just about as much as I can to save my garden. I went through here, and everything that was broken but not broken off, I went ahead and snapped off and put in the compost bin. Everything looks pretty sad and beaten down, but my tomatoes miraculously were just knocked over. They weren't really broken. I did have to take one out because it was totally ripped out of the ground. This one right here does have a little split in its stem, but I'm hoping that it's gonna be okay. I had to take out a couple of other things, but overall I think it's doing okay. I'm gonna water in the morning very well, and I've tied everything up, and just gonna hope for the best. The tree looks so much skinnier. It looks so much skinnier now. It's gonna look so weird without it. I suddenly kind of want to cry about losing the tree. That's so stupid, but I do. I kind of almost suddenly want to burst into tears. Oh gosh. They have got like 4 guys tied off to what is happening here. Oh wow. I'm so stupid. I don't know why I didn't pull the blinds up before.
One eternity later.
It's been a couple of weeks and now they are back and finishing up the tree. It is completely coming down today. It's gonna look so strange without it again. I keep saying that, but I just can't get over how weird it's gonna look. So it'll be interesting to watch them do this today though. It just keeps getting smaller.
You got more confidence in me.
This is gonna be something to see here.
Yeah.
Woo!
As long as it,
Got
I guess to
that.
make them wires, that'll be the last big one. Now they can kind of block it down. I'm glad we got enough room to do that.
That's incredible.
See the,
They know those ropes, I guess.
even a half inch good for 7,000, 8,000. See how black the end of that is? It can be green, green, green and still break off.
I see they've got the rope all braced around and then up through the tree.
Yeah, Jeremy's control over there. We got a pin
Oh!
over there, so.
Oh, I see.
Then the other line going that way is the tag line.
It's moving. The top of it is. Is it gonna go? Come on. He needed a wedge, so they threw a wedge up. That was cool. Whoops. I'll cut that out, guys. I'll cut that out too. Maybe I won't cut it out. Ah, there you go. Oh, I want that piece. I want that piece of wood. The way he touched the air potato, like, what is this mess? Clearly a dude who has had some poison ivy before. Oh, I don't want to touch this. It's gonna give me a rash. It won't. They're just air potatoes. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, he's got to roll it over so they can finish cutting it. Oh, how cool. Oh, I love it. I still want that piece, so I'm kind of like stalking them. Can I bring y'all some ice water? Or
We got a cooler full.
good deal. There is one chunk of wood I was wondering if y'all could say for me, if this isn't too heavy to just like scoot over here.
This piece?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because that is a really cool,
It is different.
it is really cool piece of
When I
wood.
grab this piece, we'll be able to grab it because right now it's sitting on it.
No worries. I just wanted to see if it's not too much trouble.
No, it's not. No.
Okay, awesome. Thank y'all so much. It has been, I know it's a lot of hard work for y'all, but it's been a lot of fun to watch.
Just another day. As long as that machine acts right, we can get it done.
Well, thanks so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Break it off. Use your grabber nabber. Whoop. Well, now the tree is gone. We have spent the morning out here raking up all the piles of sawdust. The sidewalk is broken, but that's okay because it was real unlevel, and actually now it's more level than it was before. So this is what we're left with. Big pile of mulch. I've scooped as much mulch as I can carry for the day, and over time this hole is gonna, cave in anyway. But I will take some more of that mulch and put onto my azalea beds over here. I hope they do okay. They get morning shade and afternoon sunshine. And these are a plant called ligustrums. I've tried to kill them a million times. They're completely indestructible. So I'm just gonna cut those off really hard here in a week or so and let them go again. It's going to take a while for the grass to fill in, but that will be fine, and we will hopefully before too long plant a new tree in the front yard. So something to look forward to. And also they did save me this big enormous piece of wood that looks so cool. I can't wait to do something with it. It's got all these little punky bits in it and everything, and I think I'm gonna make a resin table out of this. And that's the slab that they saved for me. It's split all the way down. Why are there so many flies? What is happening? Man, if Jeff Goldblum shows up, I'm gonna lose my mind. So I'm looking forward to getting that wet so that I can see all the tree rings and count them off. I'm looking forward to figuring out how old our tree is, or was. I think I'm doing this right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
60, 61, I guess 62. So did I do that right? I don't really know, but 62 years old ain't no slouch.
1 week later.
So today we are here at Woodlands Premium Motorcycles and we got my husband his new bike. He is so excited. And there he goes. I'm so happy for him. So happy. You better be careful. And we'll do a quick garden update. My tomatoes are amazing. We got a few really big ones already. We've gotten a ton of small ones. They're just making a billion tomatoes and getting huge. And these are the kind that just keep growing and growing and growing. But they're doing really great. I'm having a bit of a caterpillar fight right now. There's some places up here that are bug eaten, but otherwise doing pretty okay. My peppers are doing a lot better. They're real leggy at the bottom, but that's fine. They're looking good otherwise. I have some little baby eggplants. I don't know really how big those will get or how big I should really let them get. I'm going to look into that. But yeah, so that's a quick garden update. Also, I clearly dug the potatoes. I wound up getting about 5 pounds of potatoes out of it. So hey, not too bad for a first try. And now I have planted zucchini and squash and some watermelon. We'll see. This is an experiment bed. It's just a really small bed and I didn't want to leave it empty. So we're going to try this. So yeah, all of that happened. And it's been an insane few weeks. I'm glad it's behind us. I'm glad everything worked out. My husband has his bike. My garden's doing okay. The dangerous tree up front is gone, and the one that fell is gone, and it could have been way worse. I'm just glad it all worked out the way it did, so all is well. I appreciate you watching today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, whenever it is, wherever you are.